I quit my job in Korea 7 months ago with no backup plan, and now I'm making around $4,000 a month, which is approximately the same amount I used to make while working for a company. I know quitting your job can be quite scary, that's why I wanted to share my experience and inspire you to do the same if you hate your job as I did. I started a marketing agency that creates UGC content for games and apps that want to market their product in Korea or Japan. Now let's talk a little bit about what's UGC and how you can make money on it. UGC is a user-generated content that became particularly popular during COVID when TikTok kind of took off. User-generated content is any form of content such as images, videos, text, testimonials, and even audio that has been posted by users on online platforms such as social media and discussion forums. The demand for UGC grew astronomically when brands realized that UGC works better than traditional advertising. According to Nielsen Consumer Trust Index, 92% of consumers trust user-generated organic content more than a traditional ad. I personally also prefer UGC to traditional ads because it just feels more raw and authentic. So now we know what a UGC is, let's talk about how I started making money with it. After I quit my job, I knew that eventually I want to build a business, but I didn't know exactly what niche I want to be in, and so I decided to try out this UGC thing and registered on Fiverr. For those of you who don't know, Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services. And now the most interesting part, how much money I made on Fiverr. To this date, since joining approximately in August 2022, I made $1,400, and I've only been active on Fiverr for about 2 months before my Russian YouTube channel and my UGC agency kind of took off, requiring more of my time. The highlight of my UGC career on Fiverr is when an Australian brand sent me skincare products for like $160, and on top of that they paid me $90 to create a 1-minute video for TikTok. I haven't really looked into other platforms, but you can find clients, UGC clients on Upwork. There's Twitter with a huge UGC community on it, and there's also LinkedIn. So if you're planning a UGC career, please look into these platforms as well. It will sort of broaden your opportunities to find clients. That's kind of it for my freelance career. Now I would like to share some of my experiences building my UGC agency. So my agency creates UGC content for mobile apps and games featuring Korean and Japanese creators for their respective markets. I worked as a performance marketer for mobile gaming companies for about 3 years, and I kind of know the creative ecosystem and how digital marketing works, and I kind of saw the need for such a service because I was analyzing TikTok Creative Center, and I saw that foreign companies don't really use UGC in Korea because they can't really access Korean creators due to the language barrier, and that's where I sought the opportunity. I cold emailed like 1,000 companies, and my first client was a gaming company from China, and we closed the deal for like $1,650. And my second client was from Turkey, and they paid me like $2,500. So after that, I realized that the proof of concept is there. Closing clients in your first months is just unheard of, which indicates that this is a working business and this is a working business idea. However, right now we're facing a couple of problems, which is that companies don't really want to share the results of the UGC creatives made by us because that is a company-owned information containing sensitive information like budgets, CPI, and CTR, and things like that, and they don't want to share their data. And it's kind of hard to expand for us and grow when you have no results to show to your other clients. That's why right now we're at the stage when we're thinking of other solutions and maybe expanding to other industries. Then there's also my Russian YouTube channel. I shared exactly this video in Russian, and it got around 200,000 views in the first month, and I earned $400 just from AdSense from this video, and I got contacted by Russian companies with sponsorship offers, and all of this happened in the first 7 months after quitting my job. And here are the things that I've learned from these experiences. First is that we need specific skills or money-making superpowers. The skills that I've built working as a marketer for gaming companies, as well as editing my YouTube videos for my Russian YouTube channel, enabled me to run a UGC agency. Like, those experiences combined let me sort of open this portal to my idea of creating a UGC agency. Another piece of advice to my 18-year-old self is hone a skill. It could be programming, it could be video editing, marketing, whatever. Just invest time in it, be good at it, and share your experiences on social media. And you'll create a network of like-minded people, and you know what? Clients will find you. And a couple of years following this method, you will be making very good money. I hope I could inspire you guys with my story. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye!